Hi guys, welcome back to Simple and Healthy Mama. If you're new here, thanks for being here. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that down below. It's the best way to support little tiny YouTube channels like mine. I'm Kate, and today we are making homemade Dawn Powerwash. So this is DIY Power Wash. We buy these at Costco. It comes in like a 2-pack, and we just use it until the bottle doesn't work anymore by refilling it by making our own. The recipe that I use is 4 tablespoons of Blue Dawn. This is generic, but basically Blue Dawn dish soap, 2 tablespoons of regular rubbing alcohol, and 13 ounces of water, which is basically filling this bottle up because this is 16 ounces. We're going to make it at home. It is almost exactly the same as the stuff that you buy that comes in here. What I would say, since I've done this a number of times, is that you should not do what I'm about to do, which is not measure. I'm moving, so I packed my measuring spoons, but definitely measure. You don't want to overdo on the alcohol because it aerosolizes too much then, and you'll be breathing it in when you spray it, which is really bad for your health. So don't overdo on that. But the alcohol helps it not get clogged in here and spread really well. So you do need that. So let's go ahead and mix this up, and you can use this for all the same things that you would usually use Dawn Powerwash for, which in our house is like just about everything. So 4 tablespoons of Blue Dawn. This is so easy, right? You're going to measure. This is how I cook too. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. My 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. And then I just fill it up with water, mix it around. I love my dishwasher so much, but there's certain things that I'm trying not to put in the dishwasher. Plastics is kind of the main category. So these are things that I would hand wash because they have plastic or parts that are plastic. I'm trying to move away from using a lot of plastic in our lives because of all this stuff about microplastics that's out in the news right now. But these are great things to use your power wash for because you can just spray it. Like I'll take this bottle, spray it inside, shove a bottle brush in there, rinse it out, good to go. I use this to clean not just dishes, but my stove top, sometimes the inside of my oven door it's really good for. It's got Dawn soap in it, which is one of those things that you can even use it for certain laundry stains. You know, when you Google and they say like use dish soap or alcohol, this combination, really good for those laundry stains. So you're just gonna fill it up most of the way. I'm gonna mix it a little before it gets too full and sudsy. Fill it up most of the way, but leave room for the little sprayer thing. There we go. And there you have it. It comes out, it spreads really well. I keep this by the kitchen sink. I absolutely love using it. It's super easy for kids to use. We also really like having one of these that pumps out a little bit of soap for really quick hand wash dishes. But that's it. That's all you have to do. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. You've got this.